take a look behind this boat into the skyline over here, you're gonna see something that looks like a UFO. We like to call it the George Jetson South cartoon. That looks like it. I'm sorry, sir, I make a better door than I do a window. Can you see it? That's the Tower of America. That was a showpiece of 1968 World's Fair. Measured 622 feet high. Not including that antenna, that'd be considered cheating. Observation deck on the very top, there's a restaurant. It rotates 1 revolution per hour. I can see the whole San Antonio at the covered dining table. Now, my gentlemen with the red shirts, y'all thought I was going to hit that with my head, right?
Yeah.
Y'all didn't say anything. You're just waiting for it, weren't you? Look at these guys. That's how these guys are. Now, I'm going to ask you, gentlemen, if it ever happens to me, do I have to go through that again? Would you say something about it? This guy say no. The other two says yes, the other one says no. This one, no, man. There you go. These guys didn't say anything. I see how you guys are. Your family, aren't you? At least this guy was being truthful.
I feel good.
All right, folks. We're about to end the motion. You know what? Okay. Folks, the reason why she's over here is looking at it. This is actually the most dangerous portion of the river walk. The River Center Mall. Yeah. It's got 1 million square feet of shopping in here. There's also an IMAX theater that shows the Battle of the Alamo. What a press freedom. Poor guy. So we're looking down. Oh boy, here we go. Oh, don't worry, sir. We got something for the gentleman. We call Daddy's Daycare. Also the left of the boat if you're choosing. Choose wisely. It might get you in trouble now, okay? Now, for transportation onto the river, we got a real taxi boat. Now, a taxi boat does look like this one here, okay? Now, the only difference is you have a taxi sign up front, checkered flags in the back. And it's cost $16 for a day pass. So, once you have that day pass, you can hop on off those boats anytime you like. Now, that boat will take you up to the museum regions. You get to go through the lock and dam. Now, you've never experienced the Panama Canal, like a micro mini version. They'll place that boat into a chamber, keep your arms inside there, young one, and fill it up with 30,000 gallons of water, lift you up 9 feet. We like to call it the boat elevator. And then from there it goes to the San Antonio Museum Lombardo I was talking about earlier. Now the end point is my favorite spot. It's called the Pearl. There's 13 different restaurants there. When I'm talking about restaurants, you don't care much for the whole franchise establishment, it's a very selective palate. That's your spot, okay? Now, if you need that taxi, they do pass by about every 30 to 40 minutes. Now, if you see it, you flag it down. Like you're hailing a taxi to New York City, where you takes you right on board. By now, I'm pretty sure you noticed all the vegetation that we have out here. Natural trees to the river, cypress and the oak tree. And then they brought these other ones like the lemon tree overhead here. Now you can see quite a bit of tropical plants, even down to banana. Now there's a little trick to keep the tropical plants alive during the wintertime. They're hybrids, a combination of plants. Folks out to my right, feel free to touch those leaves right there. That's actually a very rare Amazonian fern with a hybrid of Texas poison ivy. Don't worry, the rest will go away with a sweet center. Now, if you have to get yourself lost out here, or we just need some information, start looking for a person with a hat-like smile, wearing a yellow shirt. Those are your city ambassador. You can guide you in the right direction. You give you a free map. You don't need to worry. They're not there to sell you anything. They're just here to help you out.
Watch out! Watch out!
And off to the right.
Watch out!
You're gonna say something, right? Only bronze statue. That is the San Antonio the Betua. Another gift from Portugal, 1968 World's Fair. I'd be their patron saint of their country and the whole earth here in San Antonio. Now, you know, St. Anthony there is also patron saint of lost children, lost cell phones, lost car keys, lost boyfriends, and he's up a lost items for people. Now, another time to join us if you ever get a chance, the month of December, or Christmas time. It's gorgeous out here. Yeah, we have millions of lights on the trees, also on the boats and on the bridges. And during that time, we have our specialty boats out here, about 8 of them, with carolers, mariachis, orchestra bands, all the way out. It's gorgeous out here. You have to see for yourself. Now, off to our right-hand side, right above that wall, see a very pointy roof with a cross on top. That is St. Joseph German Catholic Church. Built back in 1863 by the German immigrants. Now, when they built that church, they brought some very beautiful stained glass from Munich. They still hold the German